Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Just when you thought Reese's peanut butter cups couldn't get any better, they got massive. This is the Reese's Big Cup peanut butter cups, and these are very delicious. So I love these because I love peanut butter cups in general, but these are really nice because they're a larger size and they have a higher peanut butter to chocolate ratio. So I really like these. And this package is nice because it comes with two. This is the king size package. So you just have more to enjoy, or you have one to share with a friend, which is nice. This is a really nice mix of sweet milk chocolate, which is very creamy and delicious. And the peanut butter filling is salty, and it is just a really nice balance, and it makes for a perfect bite. So if you love Reese's peanut butter cups or just peanut butter and chocolate in general, you are going to absolutely love this Reese's Big Cup, and that is my point of view.